Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a delicious tandoori chicken macaroni, a Children's Day special for lunch at my home today. I hope you love this video and find it helpful, so stay tuned till the end. Here I've already boiled 1.5 liters of water, adding salt and a teaspoon of oil. Giving that a good stir. Then goes in 3 cups of macaroni. You can also use pasta here. Give that a good stir to avoid any lumps of macaroni settled at the bottom of the pan. Now you can see the macaroni is cooked well. Breaks easily when pinched. Time to drain it quickly and then run it for few seconds under the cold water. Next, in a wide open vessel, heat a teaspoon of ghee or butter along with 2 tablespoons of oil. Then goes in a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 finely chopped green chili. Let that fry till the color of the garlic changes to brown. Now you can see the color of the garlic has changed to brown. Add in 1 finely chopped large onion and cook till the onion turns soft. Once the onions have turned soft, add in 1 finely chopped large tomato and cook till it turns mushy and soft. Now goes in 3 tablespoons of pasta sauce. Give that a good mix and cook it for a minute. Once cooked well, add a big pinch of red chili flakes, a teaspoon of mayonnaise to add some creamy texture, and a tablespoon of tomato sauce to add a little sweetness. Give that a good mix till you see this mayonnaise and sauce combine well. Add salt to taste, a tablespoon of soya sauce, and mix this well. Once mixed well, time to add the chicken. Here I'm going to add 2 large pieces of tandoori chicken. Give this a good mix till you see the chicken well combined with the sauces. Time to add finely chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Adding in a handful of water, stir that well and allow it to get a boil. Once you see it getting a boil, add in the cooked macaroni and gently give this a mix till it's well combined with the sauces. Once the macaroni is mixed well with the sauces, spread it evenly. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Cook covered on the lowest heat for 2 minutes and then allow it to rest for 2 minutes. Here you can see a delicious tandoori chicken macaroni is cooked very delicious, juicy and is non-sticky. Time to serve this. You can serve it for lunch or as an evening snack. I hope you found this video very helpful. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comment section below this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned till the end of this video. See you soon on another video. Take care. Bye-bye.